Isn't that real? Okay, we're here on Megleg Moon. Let's see if this myth works. Oh, it does work. Oh yeah, I can see the button at the bottom. Looks like it's gonna activate very correctly. Alright. Alright. Here's Buster Jr. Wahaha! You made it! But I won't even need my dad's stuff to take care of you. Go get him, Megleg. Stop him with the power of your Grand Star. Alright, let's fight this thing. Oh. 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 Wait. What bills? Over here. Come in. Oh, yes. Well, that was easy. Okay. Myth confirmed.